I'm an artist Annalie, and painting for me is discovering myself through self-expression. I find it hard to remember when I first realized that I want to be an artist. Creativity has been an essential part of my life since early childhood. Painting was my main entertainment, and then it became a sense of my lifetime. I wanted to study fine arts for being a professional. I graduated from the university. But painting is more for me than just a profession. This is primarily my pleasure and my motivation. Although I don't manage it easily, I put a lot of efforts every time I paint. I can't clean my palette and squeeze colors from tubes by myself. Therefore, my closest people do it for me. Also, they help me with first background layer because it's extremely difficult for me. For painting there where I cannot lift my hand, I made up to tie 2 brushes with masking tape for making them longer. Sometimes the canvas is so large that I need to turn it sideways or even upside down. And I paint line because it's difficult for me to sit for a long time. But I'm convinced that obstacles exist in order to overcome them. My work, Overcoming, tells about this. 2 states: despair and victory over difficulties. This is very personal, but at the same time, I believe that it happens to everyone. This diptych is full of symbolism. Neither composition nor color appeared accidentally. Greenish-blue color symbolizes harmony and unwillingness to act. And red is color of life and pulsating energy. It seems to me that I'm in the process of the movement from one state to another all the time. It's important for me to be in the second state more than in the first one. This work is painted in the pointillism manner. The basis of this technique is the dot. For me, the dot symbolizes the smallest part any matter consists of. These parts are in a constant motion and replace each other. In this way, objects are transformed and changed. Raindrops fall into the sea, become a wave, and get the power to overcoming.